So let's see what should be there in a makeup artist's bag. This is, you know, kind of a very cute little thing to keep it in your purse all the time. The first thing which came out is this compact by KIKO and KIKO Milano, and this is like a very subtle and nude shade, and easy to be applied. This shade is Sparkling Holiday Baked Powder 01. Okay, what's next? So I have this Colourpop highlighter stick. So this is kind of a quick highlighting thing which all the artists can actually keep it in their little pouch. Then I have a liner. A liquid liner is a quick thing for any artist. It's a definition liner, and the tip of this liner is really good, so you don't really need a brush. So it's a quick thing to do. I have a makeup remover by Clinique. So in case you just have gone wrong with your makeup, a quick remover should be there in your bag. Then the must 4-5 brushes which I always keep are, you know, just a quick foundation and buffer brush. Everybody knows what these brushes are for. So there's a foundation brush, there's a buffer brush, then this is my favorite powder brush, which many a times I use it for blushing as well. So this is by Sephora. And a small brush for blushing, and then there is this eyebrow brush, because many a times just defining your eyebrows can give you a very good look. So that's there. I have a concealer by Stila. So sometimes if your foundation is just going here and there and you want to quickly fix up your freckles, your blemishes, so you can go with a concealer. So just keep a small thing, you don't need to carry the palette all the time. I have my favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, which goes from morning till evening. This is really good. I always like putting it all the time. I put it in my hand, so it has beautiful shine, and underneath it should go well. I have a mist, a moisture surge by Clinique. So if your face is getting drier in the midday, you can just quickly kind of... next I have the lip color. This is by KIKO Milano as well. So many times I use it as an eye base also, but it should be used to highlight the inner corner or the waterline. This is like a nude color by KIKO Milano. So this is a rare. One side is a really nice subtle gold color, and the other side is the kajal. So these two pencils are really something which I'll never roll on. Perfume, which is always there, because when I'm doing makeup and, you know, you're traveling everywhere, your hands and yourself should have a nice odor, so the client should not actually feel that you're tired from the day. So yeah, that's it. That's in my bag.